Here we are. Fish shop and takeaway at Bateau Bay. Fucking sensational already. You all know this guy, Jack Payne. Whoa, oh, sorry. Matty, whoa!
G'day.
Fucking eyeball.
What's going on?
Hell.
Chip.
What have we got over here? This is, look at this sensational deal here. Look at this. $13. Look at this. You get fucking your fish, you get fucking lemon. You put your fucking lemon on there, just like this. You fucking mad dogs. Seafood basket. The hockey was different. So the seafood was like, the basket was like $13, but I got hockey on there as well because I haven't eaten all day. Get these fucking little cocktail prawns. Zoom in on that. Back. Beautiful.
What do you reckon?
Hopefully. Hot. Because it just comes straight out of the fryer. You always gotta try the chips too.
Good chip.
Oh. That's a fucking good chip. And
Out of 10?
I love salt. Out of 10. Let me have the fish. The fish is what's going to be. Out of 10, fucking hell, this is like very close to a 10. I reckon 9.5 out of 10. That's fucking massive. Come here, man. This is great. Bateau Bay Fish Shop. Definitely recommend. This is not a paid endorsement.